2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 ou 5, 10, 11, 13, non, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here we are with one of the most challenging topics in French language. Les nombres, the numbers. Bonjour ou bonsoir. Bienvenue à Septalk. You are here to learn French. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most challenging topics that I've ever had challenge with it when I was learning the language. Les nombres, the numbers. This topic seems difficult to most French learners because the numbers in French are totally different from other languages. But if you watch this video till the end, I assure you that you will learn them till the rest of your life. Les nombres en français. The numbers in French. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 et 10. Remember, for the number 1, we have two forms, a masculine form and a feminine form. Par exemple, if you want to say a boy in French, you gotta say un garçon. But in order to say a girl, you should use un in a feminine form, which will be une fille. So it's like there are two ones in French. Un et une. Now listen to the numbers from 11 to 20. Écoutez. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 et finalement 20. Here is a point that you can memorize the numbers from 11 to 20 a bit easier. The numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 are all ended to the sound Z. But the numbers 17, 18, and 19, which are 17, 18, and 19, are the combination of 10, 7, 10, 8, and 10, 9. So it would be easier to memorize them with this code. Watch this video again to practice les nombres en français. For example, I learned numbers in French with personal codes, like deux is 2, while 12 is 12. Trois, 3. 13, 13. 4, 4. 14, 14. You can ask your questions from Septalk with the hashtag of Septalk in the comments. I will answer them as soon as possible. In addition to numbers, which is one of the most basic topics in French, I have other videos as well in my channel, like la famille and also greeting. You can watch them here. Subscribe to Septalk for more videos and turn on the notification bell to be the first one who will watch them. Au revoir!